We'll be back. Come back. So let me continue from where I stopped from. That whenever you want to successfully respond or provide relevant or appropriate responses, we need to first mention the tasks in the scenario so that you can provide where you can get the relevant ICT tools to that very task. That is one. Another one, item one. As you have seen the task that guide the secretary on what would be included in the report. I have a mind that we need to guide the secretary about which ICT tools, as you have seen in the paragraph where it states the secretary is unable to identify what is needed. So she was unable to identify what is needed to be included in a report. But however, minus providing the ICT tools, we need to know, or we need also to include how these ICT tools should be handled or maintained to work for longer time. We learn about safety of users and ICTs in senior on term 1, under the topic of introduction to ICTs. So we need to know how these ICT tools are mind that they will help secretary to accomplish such tasks. But we need to know, as should be using or he'll be using these ICT tools, how they can be handled or maintained to work for a long time. So that's the approach. So we hear about formal writing, or what makes a formal document in ICT. What makes a formal document in ICT? You need to have introduction. You need to provide with appropriate or the best format of writing. Then we need to provide the conclusion. So the combination of the three, introduction, format of writing, and conclusion, makes it a formal document. So as we'll be seeing the scorers or examiners scoring you, putting FD, which means that code means formal document. If a candidate fails to provide an introduction, that means he or she will be remaining with 2 scores. If a candidate fails to provide conclusion, that means a candidate will remain with 1 score of format of writing, if it is seen or if it is observed. So we guide learners to use introduction, format of writing, and conclusion, which makes 3 scores. It depends on a weight of a question to know the fine or total scores on each of the item, basically item 1. Let's wait for next lesson.